What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here is IMPP, Imperial Petroleum. This finishes at 62 cents today. That is down 20.88%. So we've been covering this stock for the past few weeks. Had a lot of retail momentum on social media, and it does appear like it had a mini squeeze. Looks like a gamma squeezed. So today, this still was top 10 on StockTwits, had over 6,000 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. Now, there was a reason as to why the stock went down so much today. The earnings came out, so let's check that out first. So EPS was negative 1 cent, and revenue was 5.1 million. So I'm not sure what the estimates were, but that doesn't seem too impressive. It is a small company, though, to be fair. But yeah, it seems like the market didn't like it. So the market is selling shares and shorting this down. But all right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 38 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 108, 155, 182, 230. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be 275, 450, 610, or even the high of 970. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. We do have a gap down at 470. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 470 eventually to fill that gap. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 66 cents and 56 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 66 cents, 78 cents, 86 cents, 90 cents, 97 cents, 110, 115, 125, 135, 145, and then 155. There is resistance above 155, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 56 cents, 48 cents, 40 cents, and then the low of 38 cents. So right now at the current price, 62 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 240 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 240. RSI is currently at 46. So that is pretty average, a little bit below average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 62 cents should be a little bit higher. And this did 135 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So yeah, this was disappointing earnings. But still overall, according to the chart, the stock still looks pretty bullish. Again, we only have bullish indicators, cup and handle, gap down, no bearish indicators, and we have a neutral indicator in the RSI. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, it appears like this is going to pull back a bit more, but there aren't really too many more supports to go to the downside here. It's likely this pulls back down to 56, but then all the supports after that seem pretty strong. So you really can't go too wrong at the current price, 62. Already a pretty decent entry, but if you hold off for a little bit, you should be able to get possibly even better entries. So I would support going along at 56, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. And yeah, there's really not too much more downside to go here. Very strong support, almost near the bottom. So if you were to enter at 56, again, it should come back up to 470 at some point to fill the gap. And that would be around a 740% upside potential there. So major upside potential, and really not too much downside potential. I don't think it's going to break 56, but if it does, really shouldn't break 48 after that. That's where the next critical support is. So I would say going along at 56 cents would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. But this is definitely a buy and hold. This is not a short-term swing trade squeeze play. Or at least I wouldn't treat it as one. I would treat this as a long-term hold. A lot of value. Just got to be patient. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, all bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, and this is already near the low. It really shouldn't go too much lower, not too much downside. I think it will come back down to 56, but really shouldn't go too much lower than that. You should have went short way back when this first squeezed to over $9, and here at 62 cents, I think it's way too late to go short here. Again, not too much downside potential, and huge upside potential in the long term. 740% upside potential. So yeah, I don't really see a reason why you go short here. Seems like a really bad idea. Probably going to get squeezed out. I wouldn't do it. I would not recommend it. But if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. I would say going short here would be a very high risk, low reward play. So pretty straightforward, guys. Disappointing earnings. Sold off really hard today, but still looks really strong. Still looks really bullish in the short and long terms. So just hang in there, guys. Hold strong. and one day you will be rewarded. So if you want to go long, the current price, 62 cents, not a bad entry. But if you're a little patient, you should be able to get a bit better. And in the long term, a lot of upside potential. And if you want to go short, I would not do that. I would not recommend that. Mr. Chance, it's near the bottom. All bullish indicators, no bearish indicators. So probably a bad idea going short here. So do that at your own risk. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is IMPP, Imperial Petroleum. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.